Huh? It's Andrew. Listen, this dress is cute, but moving in it is so hard. I want to take it off immediately. I'm so tired. What's wrong? Is there something on my face?
No, I just realized that anyone can look good with the right clothes after all.
Are you praising me or degrading me?
As far as magic goes, I think you're as good as anyone else, Miss Kagadi. In my eyes, you're no worse than that chariot witch.
See? You can also be nice sometimes. Wait a minute. What do you mean, no worse? Do you even like chariots?
Well, from what I've seen, she only does the same useless tricks as you do.
I knew